Hi dear students, welcome to class once again. Yesterday we were seeing the chapter Annie's Key. In that we had seen that Annie was a girl who was going to the school. So one day she came to the home by the school. At the time she slipped her bag from her arms and she said, I don't want to go to school. But her mother, in a frown, means in an angry manner, she told, Honey, you love school. So we are tiring, we are harding, we are working hard only to send you to the school. So then she said that, yes, but all my friends are teasing at dad, they are laughing at dad. They say that dad smells like a rubbish because dad works in a dump yard. So he collects all the things, he sorts all the things which is usable. After that, he sells that. So it is like a plastic picker. And also mother says that to convince Annie, yeah, you have art competition. So you have art competition, she says that, and Annie says that there is a art competition, but how can I even enter? She questions her mom because all her friends are giving a very large list of what they have to buy. So they are saying that color pens, crayons, sketch, drawing, like that. They are saying all the things, but Annie, she was a poor. She don't know or she don't have the money to purchase all those things. So that's why even thinking that how can I enter into the competition. So our mother suggests that Annie, for all the problems you have solution. That is what she says, key. So you have a key, you have to find the key for the solution. So that way we have stopped yesterday, is it right? Shall we continue from there only? In the sun's last wink at the day. So last wink means, what is the real meaning of wink? Yeah, winking means closing and opening eyes is called as wink. So last wink of sun at the day means the last sun rays also went off. So now it is a night, evening, night, dark time. The broken kerosene lantern and the old bottles at the back of the house sparkled like treasure. So now in their home there is no light and also there is no candle, but they are living in what? Lantana, kerosene lantana. So in that they are taking the light from that kerosene lantern, that is sparking. Sparking means the light it is giving. So because of that light, the wood glass bottles that is reflecting and it is shining like a treasure. You would have seen in the movies, is it right? So if somebody open the treasure, so in the treasure there will be a gold, so they will, yeah, do like this, and so the gold will be shining, is it right? Here, but they have only the old bottles, used bottles, so that is shining like a treasure. Annie had her own treasure box filled with interesting things she had found at the dump. So Annie also had one treasure box. So that treasure box don't have the golds, don't have the diamonds, don't have the ornaments, but it has her own interesting things that she found at the dump. I told that dump means the area where all the rubbish things have kept and taken away. So in that, while she was searching, or when his father was searched and he came back to home, so there she saw some interesting things for her, not for all of us, not for everybody. For us, there things, some things are very interesting. She looked, wow, it is very interesting, looking very different. She thought and she picked it and stored in a box. That is a treasure box. So for some rich people, treasure box means money box or gold box. So what is there in the inner treasure box? Old buttons, keys, beads, bits of colored glass, zips. So these are all the treasure things in our treasure box. So actually in a treasure box, so there will be a gold, so there will be a diamond, so there will be a necklaces, there will be a gems like that. But in our treasure box, there is a old buttons, zip, glasses, and beads. These are all treasure things for her. So she had cleaned them all carefully and put them in an old box. So when she those things in a dump, she took that and she cleaned all of them and put in an old box. That night, Annie dreamt that she was a butterfly rising high above the kids and the art contest and her unhappiness. So that night she went to bed and she slept in her sleeping. So she had a dream. In the dream, she was a butterfly. Sometimes in our dream, so we will be the king, we will be a cricket batsman, we will be a singer, so we will be doing something. So sometimes there will be a ghost dreams, but in her dream, she was a butterfly. She was rising high. What she was doing? She was rising high from all the kids. So all the kids are there. In middle of all the kids, she was rising high as a butterfly, and also she was rising high from the art contest, and also she was rising high by her unhappiness. She was going above. All the kids are down. All the art contestants are below. All her unhappiness are below, but she was going high and high and high. So at breakfast next morning, Mama said, "You seem to be feeling better today, honey. Does that mean you found the key?" So next day morning, she was feeling happy. So yesterday evening, she was unhappy because of her friends, because of her family situation. So she was unhappy, but now she had a smile in her face. That's why she was happy. And mother also noticed that, "Honey, you seem to be looking very better. That means, did you find the key for your solution?" See, "I'm not sure," said Annie. So she said, "I'm not sure whether I find the key or not. I don't know. I don't know confirmly. I had a great dream though. Bye." But I had a great dream. So she said bye and she grabbed her school bag and ran out from the school. After school, evening, Annie went straight to her treasure box. So she went straight to her treasure box. Just imagine this as a treasure box. Yeah, she opened it. She opened the treasure box. She sorted through the shiny bits of this and that, trying to remember her dream in exact detail. So now she had a treasure box. She had opened it and she was sorting. Sorting means keeping in arrangement. For example, we told, so in our treasure box there is a old buttons, zips and colorful glasses, beads, all are these. So she was sorting. Sorting means, so she was keeping all the buttons in one side, so keeping all the colorful glasses in one side, keeping all the old keys in one side. Like that she was sorting all the things, and also she was remembering what came in my dream, what was there. Like that she was thinking. By Wednesday, she had everything she needed. So by Wednesday, she had everything she needed. So we don't know what she needed, but she collected all the things. Did you know that there is an art display at school tomorrow afternoon? A professional artist is going to be the judge. So she said to her father, "Did you know on Friday that there is an art display at school tomorrow afternoon? A professional artist is going to be the judge." So she is saying to her father that from tomorrow onwards there is a art contestant, art gallery. So all are presenting their arts. So those arts are judged by the professional artist. "Do you think we should go?" asked her father. "Oh yes. I mean, I think it might be interesting." So father asked, "Do you think we should go?" Because he was a poor. That's why he's asking the question, "Do you think we should go to the art display?" Annie said in excitement, "Oh yes." Later he said, "I mean, it must be interesting." "I think so too, Amma." Mama said that, "I think so, it would be interesting." As they neared the school auditorium, so here also we have an auditorium, so they going very near to the auditorium. Annie and her parents could hear the sounds of voices and the high sweet sound of chimes. So when they are going near to the auditorium, Annie, father and mother could hear a sound. So that sound is voices. The people are speaking. The high speed sound of chimes. So chime means sound made by metals. So for example, if you have a key and locker, is it right? If you touch that two objects, it will make a different sound. So like that the sound is coming. That is not a harsh sound. That is beautiful and that is sweet. The walls were covered with paintings. So art display means all the art that is produced by the artist will be pasted or hanged on the wall. So the walls were covered with paintings and tables were located with sculptures. Sculptures means somebody will clay modeling, you know that. Yeah, that is what sculpture. Clay modeling, or by the wood they will do something. By the wood they will make a face of Shivraj Kumar, Rajkumar, Punit Rajkumar, or of Narendra Modi. Somebody will frame the god and goddesses. So like that sculptures were on the table. But everybody seemed to be looking up. But everybody in the auditorium were looking up. So what they are looking then? See, the wall is full of paintings. The tables is full of sculptures. Then also they are looking up. Why they are looking up? What is there? Let us see. Hanging from ceiling. Ceiling means that above roof is ceiling. So just raise your hand. What can you see? So there is a wall. There is a roof. Is it right? That roof is what? Ceiling. A ceiling. A shiny blue butterfly turned in a warm breeze. So a blue butterfly is hanging from the ceiling. So that is turning for the warm breeze. So means that will be turning. When the wind blows, it will be turning. It sparkled with what on earth? Buttons and beads. So it is sparkling. Sparkling means shining. So from what it is shining? It is shining from buttons and beads. Bits of glass. And could those be zips? See, it is shining. So in the butterfly there is buttons, beads, glass and zips. Hanging from the butterfly on a separate threads, chiming as they touched one another was a dancing row of keys. So from that butterfly, one extra thread means extra thread that came out from the butterfly. So on that thread they are making a chiming sound. Chiming sound means, so when the two metals are touched or hit, so that metals will produce a sound that is coming. So that are all what? That are all metals, but it is old keys. So in that big keys, little keys, medium sized keys, all the kinds of keys are there. The butterfly continued to turn and the first place ribbon came into view. So that butterfly was turning. See, just imagine this is a butterfly, it is turning slowly for the warm breeze. So there in the butterfly there is a ribbon. So in that ribbon the first place is written. So that means what? For Annie's butterfly they have given the first prize. Yeah, all eyes were on Annie. So now all are looking at Annie only. She made that. Wow, what a beautiful creature it is. So like that all are looking at Annie. She knew they were friendly, admiring and excited eyes. See, people will look at us for two reasons. So if they are angry towards us, they will be looking like this. Kya? What did you do? Like that they will be looking. But now they are looking friendly. So they are admiring. Admiring means they are appreciating the work of Annie. Yeah, nice. Very good. Wow. You did it. Yeah, you made it. You are the winner. So like that all are looking with a smiling face. So Annie knew that. So that eyes are all what? Friendly, admiring and excited eyes. She knew. So she knew that the kids were thinking that junk could be pretty wonderful. See, now she understood that. Also she knew that all the kids, so before the art competition, art display, so Annie's friends, they were listing the things that they wanted to purchase from the shop. But our Annie made, she found the key. She made a beautiful creature, beautiful butterfly by the junk. Junk means waste things, by the waste things. So they had thrown in the dump. they had thrown in a dump. She collected all the things and now she made a beautiful butterfly. Her father put his arm around her shoulder and squeezed hard, and he squeezed back. At the same time, her father put a hand like this on shoulder and he squeezed. So there is a communication. He was saying that, daughter, really I am proud of you. At the same time, what Honey did, she again